Alrighty, dropping the truck off here in Blackstone. Hoping to get it sold here. Should be a cold ride home, but I'm hoping to make quick work of it. Didn't really give myself enough time to get home today. Don't have lights on this vehicle, this bike, and cloud cover is going to bring dark earlier than sunset would otherwise indicate. I'm hoping that I can just pace high and get home before it gets dangerous. Got a couple pups here behind the fence, which is good. Hopefully, oh, there he is too. Along with another dog. Go home! Go home! Up here is the house where the pit bulls came out to say hi. We got 3 dogs. Go home! Go home! Go home! Get! Go home! If you're this close to the road, you need to control your pets. That's all there is to it. I'm less than a mile from home, and I got dogs. Is close to cramping, but not. I'm going to get inside, take some ibuprofen, and rest it so that I can ride tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.